Welcome to this algebra guide on writing linear equations. In this video, we will learn how to find the equation of a line when you are given just 2 points on a graph. We will focus on the most reliable method, finding the slope first. Our main objective is to write an equation in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. To do this, we need 2 key pieces of information: the slope, represented by m, and the y-intercept, represented by b. When we only have 2 coordinate points, we have to do a little work to find these values. The first step is always to find the slope. We use the slope formula, which is m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. You might also know this as rise over run. This formula calculates the steepness of the line connecting our 2 points. Let's work through an example together. We want to find the equation of the line that passes through the point 1, 2, and the point 3, 8. These are our x and y coordinates. Now let's substitute our points into the slope formula. We subtract the y values on top, 8 minus 2. Then we subtract the x values on the bottom, 3 minus 1. This gives us 6 divided by 2, which simplifies to a slope of 3. Now that we know our slope is 3, we move to step 2. We will use the point-slope form equation. This formula is y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. It is perfect for this situation because we have a slope and a point. We will take our slope of 3, and one of our points, let's use 1, 2. We substitute these values into the formula. So, y minus 2 equals 3 times the quantity x minus 1. Next, we need to convert this into slope-intercept form by isolating y first. Distribute the 3 to both terms inside the parenthesis to get 3x minus 3. Then, add 2 to both sides to get y by itself. Our final equation is y equals 3x minus 1. It is always a good idea to check your work. Let's test the second point, 3, 8, which we did not use in the calculation. If we plug in 3 for x, does y equal 8? 3 times 3 is 9, minus 1 is 8. It works. Our equation is correct. To recap, remember these 3 steps. 1. Use the slope formula to find m2, plug the slope and 1 point into the point-slope form. And 3. Solve for y to get your final equation. With practice, this process becomes very fast.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.